The Hong Kong Special Administrative Region government on Monday released a report on Hong Kong's business environment. The report on Hong Kong's business environment, a place with unique advantages and unlimited opportunities, points out that Hong Kong has retained its sound business environment and unique advantages under one country, two systems, and the financial hub is still attractive to businesses and investors around the world. Paul Chan, Financial Secretary of the HKSAR government, released the report at a press conference.
香港嘅營商環境良好，而且前景亮麗，有着活潑嘅發展動力同埋龐大嘅機遇。
The report, the first of its kind released by the HKSAR government, comes as the global financial hub has returned to stability from chaos over the past year and is gathering momentum for a more prosperous future. It says peace and stability were restored after the implementation of the national security law in Hong Kong and the improvements to Hong Kong's electoral system. According to the report, Hong Kong's economic freedom and competitiveness continue to be well recognized by international institutions. Looking ahead, the report believes Hong Kong's financial industry will be able to explore more opportunities amid the development of the whole country.